Collect enough coins to rebuild. With your help, we can make even bigger. Nice, man. Coins actually mean something. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. Coins matter. Yeah, alright, I'll do some jobs. You can run the same job as many times as you want. You won't get paid for it again. You wanted me to work for free, Toad? Come on, man. Hello, 3D world. Alright. I can't play off any skills here because I don't know the 3 world. Okay, you can wall jump. Right on. Alright, that's so cool. Oh. How did I do a spin jump there? Oh. I gotta press up. If I press L or R, it doesn't do anything. But if I press up... I am so happy that this has P-Speed. Thank you, Nintendo. I feel like they were like, alright, let's make MitchflowerPower happy. So they gave me... Oh, you son of a bitch. No, I lost my 10 coins. I heard if you ground pound, you can like... Just like in Mario 3. Oh my god, dude. Oh, you can long jump, but you need P... Oh my god, 3D World is so awesome. Ah, you can't long jump, wall jump. So yeah, you can, just like Mario 3, you can use the hill speed, and as long as you single frame jump... Oh my god. Alright, I really like 3D World. How do I get these guys to come down? Get out of my way, B. Get pushed, bitch. Can I, like, wall jump? And no, I can't. Okay. Oh! No! I can't believe that timing was so perfect. I can't believe that happened to me. I just got wrecked so hard. Alright. Combo. Oh. Okay. I don't like the spin jump in this, though. Come here, you little frig. Okay, so you can wall jump. Alright. Alright, I got this. I can't control that direction. Alright. Whee! Oh! Okay, hold on. I think I know. Okay, so I think I... Yeah, there we go. Okay, okay. I knew... Oh, I blew it. Okay. I blew it. Cool. I love that so much. You got 5 new jobs for me. Do any of these new jobs involve any form of physical activity? Just curious. Asking for a friend. You can flip pages with L and R. Now get back to work. Jesus. I'm the one... Your company's striving off me, clearly. Mushroom King. Difficulty 2-star. Okay, cool. I bet this story mode is actually going to get a little tough. What's the canon explanation? When Peach got kidnapped, his laundry... Mario's ability to do laundry was lost. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of Ghost House. Also, I'm slightly getting comfortable with the delay. So don't mind me if I'm taking... Wow, you're really slippery in this. Holy crap. There's no weird... Oh. Get wrecked. I knew that was there. Yo, Egg Chew, what's going on? Okay, no ground pound. Okay, I can spin jump. Yeah, the doors are really sensitive here. What the... Look at these Goombas, man. They look... These guys look so funny, man. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay, so what's dropping here? What do I got? Ooh, Yosh. I'm hungry. Those guys look so weird. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use Yoshi. I know, it's okay, Bowtie. I'm just bugging you. They're on my YouTubes though when you get a chance. I don't want unless I mean if you don't mind spoils, I can tell you what happened. That's no problem. What do I want to eat? I don't know. I'm not really hungry just yet. Yeah, yo, the backward slide in there. Amazing job at GDQ. Thank you, man. Dude, you guys did an amazing job at GDQ. You watched me. If you guys didn't... What the heck? What the heck was that? P-switch is upside down? Is this reset doors? They are. Oh my god. That's... Okay. Okay. That's... Yeah, these gotta be new effects, right? I'll get these coins. Holy crap, that's cool. Can Yoshi... No, not through here. Okay. So reset. With the scary noises. That's actually, like, kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. And this is fucked up. What am I doing? The wrong warp? Okay. So, let's face it, I was a little too slow there. Alright, what's in here? Is this a reset door? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so I think what's gonna happen is... I'm gonna go through a blue door up here. And it's gonna take me to the big coin. No! Oh my gosh! I got debated so hard. Okay, I don't want to go down here. PB&J, baby. I'm not sure what my Grand Poo World run was. I don't know what the exact time was because they didn't pause it when it was crashing with the Super Nintendo. That was a different sound. Yeah, GDQ didn't pause my run, which is okay. They just... I don't know what my actual time was. Okay. I was like, there's no way I can get out of here. Alright, so blue pipe. Yo, thank you guys so much for the bits. The runs were hot, man. Hot and sweaty. GDQ was really fun. Oh, it gives you coins. That's so cool. I'll play people's levels for fun. Sure. We'll do West. Okay. West it is. We don't have enough coins. Oh, we're so dumb, guys. None of us even noticed we didn't have enough coins. I thought I had 2,000. Let's, I'm a broke ass. Dude, I'm a broke ass bitch. This level's really cool. Okay. Dude, I'm gonna be on all night. And I'm not afraid of, like, spoilers or anything like that. I want everyone to share their experiences with me. Dude, the coins are just high enough that I can't. Yeah, you like that, Mr. Goomber? I like the purple blocks. You know what I like most about Mario Maker right now? You want to know what I like the most? It's just I have new things to look at. I'm so glad we have, like, new things just to look at. I'm so sick and... Got him. I'm so sick and tired of that same old... Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Nope. I didn't mean to do that. But we're okay. We survived. Okay. Can I... Got him. All right. What? I ground pounded. Okay. We're good. We're good. Ah! These guys don't give me coins, do they? Nope. Just points. Come on, Nintendo. Get rid of the 70s points. Nobody cares about points anymore. Okay. This kind of looks like a... Hey, do you want to understand how pipes work? And yes. Yes, I do. Oh, he's sad he doesn't have a shell. That is hilarious. Okay, there's a little delay when he comes out of the pipe. That's gonna be... I feel like that's gonna be pretty trolly. Oh, yeah. Dude, I like this mode the best. P-speed, anyone? Whoa, whoa, what's happening? What the fuck? Oh god. Debated. Oh no! Okay, I'm good. Okay, so there's a little bit of depth to it. Okay, I thought I was fucked there. Ah!
Welcome back, Mitch. Great run at GDQ.
Oh, I did a spin. Okay, that one right there. Okay, I see that one. The one with the bow tie on it. Whoa, that was cool. Did you guys see that? Oh, dude, the Star Rector. Okay. I don't need your assistance, Luigi. Get back in the dungeon where you belong. I can go through... Do I keep the shell? Cool, man, I like that. That's so much better. That's really good. Yo, Bismuth, what's going on? Do shells? Yes, they do. Watch out. Ah! I don't know where to go. It's coming. Jesus. What am I doing? Oh my god, dude, that's so scary. Yo, what's up, Bismuth? Infinite shell, dude. Oh, Eve, you have a hair on right on your eyeball. We've got work to do. Okay, guys, West Wing time. West Wing. Yo, look at that one toad right there. Like, fucking get back to work, bro. Come on, man. Listen, I'm a high roller now. Look at all these levels I'm clearing. Yo, my first SMB3 level. Right on, let's do it. But I'm gonna be hardcore Mario Maker like 24/7 all the time. So if you guys... If I'm playing Mario 3. Uh-oh. Can I control? Okay, yeah. Okay. Winding up. That was the worst. That was the worst winding up I've ever done. At least I got some coins. Oh my gosh. Okay, there is a lot of coins, or there's a lot of shells right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I suck. And I killed them. Oh no, I didn't kill one of them. I can respawn him. Hold on, watch. We'll respawn him. Oh, you think I'm gonna jump in there, huh? Oh, there he is. He's back already. I really feel a difference in speed. I always wondered why Nintendo didn't actually add in, like, variations of speed, like in Mario Maker 1. It's like they're downplaying the impressiveness of their, like, different physics types, you know? Like, I always thought it was weird, but, you know, whatever. They're adding in some new stuff here, which makes it awesome. Wow, big platforms. I love it. Oh, I only got one. Hold on. Woo! Nice. Claw grabbing right up the butt. Oh, I have a channel in my Discord. That's right. If you go to my Discord, you can put viewer levels in. I have a Mario Maker 2 viewer levels. Yeah, there's a Mario Maker 2 viewer levels. There we go. Oh wow.